In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly create a Supertoroid-based UFO mesh. I'm only using a Supertoroid and a sphere for this project. If you don't see Supertoroid on the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. One good thing about Supertoroid is the fact that it allows us to modify the settings later when we right-click in object mode. If you need to change the Supertoroid shape anytime, please right-click in object mode like this. I'll just keep the upper part faces. Let's Alt-select the bottom edge loop, and type F to fill. Type I as in India to extrude inward, E to extrude upward, and so on, to create a thruster-like part at the bottom of the mesh. We'll need to apply an emission shader for the selected face. Type I once again to correct the face for the material. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.